Locate the power cord and plug into an outlet. If using the fax feature, connect the telephone line cord to the line jack. To connect to a wired network, open the scanner cover. And insert the Ethernet cord. To connect to a computer with a USB cord, insert the USB cable into the jack. Route the cord along the channel and out the back of the machine. Close the scanner cover. Pull the paper tray out of the machine. Press and slide the paper guides to fit the paper. Fan the paper. Load the paper with the printing surface face down. Gently adjust the paper guides. Check that the paper is flat in the tray and below the maximum paper mark. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Open the ink cartridge cover. Unpack the black ink cartridge. Be careful not to touch the ink sensor chip. Insert the cartridge into the correct slot. Push until the ink cartridge locks into place. Install the other ink cartridges into the marked slots. Close the ink cartridge cover. Press the ink icon. From the touch screen, select the Improve Print Quality option. Now select the Alignment option. Select Next. Then select Yes. Now select Auto. Select the paper size from the touch screen. Now press Start. The adjustment sheet will now print. Please note the black dot on the upper left corner. Open the document cover and place the adjustment sheet face down on the scanner glass. Verify that the black dot is in the left rear corner. Close the document cover. Now press Start. Your machine is now ready to print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.